If you love vanilla and chocolate cookies together, then today's recipe is for you. These yummy and fun to make spiral cookies are perfect for your cookie jar. They are a treat for your taste buds as well as your eyes. But before you watch the video, I have a small challenge. Let's see how many of you will subscribe, hit the notification button, and leave a like down below. Oh, you guys are here? That was quick. Oh, I shouldn't have done that.
Ow! Give me one good reason why I shouldn't pause you forever. Oh, do you want to know what happened in the previous video? And want to learn an easy almond cookie recipe? The link is in the description below. Where was I? Oh,
I could make you vanilla cookies.
I don't like vanilla.
Try vanilla, it's really good.
Chocolate!
Vanilla,
Chocolate!
vanilla,
Chocolate!
vanilla.
Chocolate!
It's time for the Chatoray wand. Abrakadushki cookie padushki. Here you go. Crunchy vanilla and chocolate cookies, which are buttery and rich. Wow. These fun cookies and delicious cookies are great for any occasion.
If you guys are still confused in chocolate and vanilla like me, this is the perfect recipe for you.
So let's chatpar into it. But before that, I've got to do something. Abracadabra! In a bowl, add all-purpose flour, salt, and baking powder. Whisk it and set it aside. Here we go. And in another bowl, add butter. For best result, all ingredients should be at room temperature. Add sugar. Mix it with spatula. Let's get all of that in and then beat it. Beat it until it is light and creamy. Add vanilla essence. Slightly beat it. And scrape down the sides and add egg yolk. It should not be a full egg, only the yolk part. Again, beat it to combine all ingredients. Now let's add our flour mixture we made earlier. Use a spatula to mix it so that it doesn't fly away when we start beating. Here we go. I think that is enough. Now, oops, I'll have to clean the kitchen later. Oh, okay, let's just give it a few mix more. Let's mix it with hand and save electricity. Here we go. Beat it, beat it, beat it. Okay, now we will divide the dough into 2 equal parts. Place one of the dough in the bowl, like this, and the other one in a separate bowl. Mix cocoa powder with milk to make a paste. Oh, it's not working. Okay, I think I'll use a spoon. Here we go. In 1/2 of the dough, add cocoa powder and milk paste. Let's save electricity again. Like this. Mix the paste evenly in the dough. Okay, almost done. Here you go, edible Play-Doh. Nah, I'm just kidding. Roll the vanilla dough between 2 butter papers. Like this. We will roll it into a rectangle or oval shape. Same like vanilla, we will roll chocolate dough to 1 by 4 inch thick. Sizes of both dough should be the same. Cover it with butter paper and refrigerate it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, I remove the dough from fridge and I'll put the vanilla dough on the chocolate dough carefully. Oh, that wasn't perfect. Let's make it perfect. Now start to roll from one side and continue rolling to make a log. It might break down, so remember to go slow and steady. Like this, almost there. And here we go. Yes, finally. Now roll it 2 to 3 times so it can attain a proper cylindrical shape. Ah, that is fun to do. Again, refrigerate it for 1 hour. Now, after I've refrigerated it, it looks like this, and I'm going to cut 1/2 inch thick cookies. Oh, wow, that looks amazing. What do you think about it? It should look something like this. Now place them in a baking tray and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 18 minutes. And here you go. Delicious spiral cookies are ready. Ah, they look so amazing. I hope Ibrahim doesn't come to eat all of these.
Did anybody say cookies?
No, I didn't say that. If you guys like the video, then please subscribe, hit the notification button, and hit the like button down below. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!